How to change Yahoo Mail password. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can change Yahoo Mail password. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to yahoo.com and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now to change the password, navigate to your profile icon at the top right, hover your mouse over there, then click on manage your account button. That's gonna take you to this kind of interface. Navigate to this menu bar just below the search bar. From there, head over to Security tab. Under Security, scroll down and there is a password option. You have to click on Change Password. Now you can create a new password. Here it says don't use a variation of an old password or any other personal information. So create a new password here, then click on Continue. After that, if you have turned on to factory authentication, you may be prompted to verify. Complete the verification, and with that your password will be changed. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.